Yo, what's up guys? Ramy here, and in this lesson we're going to be learning about operators because it's an important thing that you're going to need to know for coding and game creating. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and open up our math script that we created, and we can actually just use some of these values that we already have here. Just gonna delete the movement speed. We're gonna keep it simple for now. Health. That's what we're gonna use. Alright. So you're gonna be able to add stuff, and there's gonna be a few different ways you can add. This is gonna be using the addition operator. So we can put health. Actually, we'll do it this way. Debug dialog. Health plus 1. I didn't mean to put that in there. I meant to put that there. But before we run that, we're just going to run a few of these. Tidy this up a little bit. I'm actually just going to copy this. Let's make things a whole lot quicker. So now we're going to make another variable to show that you can add them in two different ways. Public int. We'll just name this extra with an X, because why not? 7e extra health, and we're going to make this equal to 2. So now we can do debug log health plus extra health, and that's going to be our addition operator. So now when we save our script, we can go back in here, well there. Oh, and always look out for errors. And also what I did there is you can always double click this error if you ever get an error, and it will take you back to the line that's causing the problem. I didn't spell public right, and that brought us back to it. Alright, so now when we save it, our compile error should go away. Now we hit play, and now from here you can see 10, and there is going to be our health variable plus 1 is going to be 11, and then extra health, which is going to be equal to 2, is going to be health plus extra health equals 12. Alright. Now there's something else. Let me click on that. Alright. Now what we'll do is a little bit different. So if you want to increment something by 1, we can put health plus plus. Now what the plus plus means, it essentially always increments it up by 1, whatever you're doing. So it's essentially the same thing as health. Let me see how I would do this. Health plus 1. It would be the same as health plus 1. That's what it would mean. But I'll show you right here. I'm not actually going to put it. Essentially, health plus plus is the same as, I'm not going to be able to change it. So from here is where I'll change it. So it's essentially the same as health equals health. That's where it's being initialized, making all sorts of errors here. So I wouldn't be able to do it from there, but it's essentially, let's create us a new variable called public int. We'll just name it life. We'll put it equal to 10. And that's at the beginning. But we can change that from now. Essentially, what that means is I can't change it there. So I can do it inside here. It's life equals, let's see, life plus 1, which that is the same as life plus plus. And just to prove that, we're going to make our another variable called public int life2 equals 10. They're both going to be equal to 10. So I'm just going to copy this just for convenience. So debug. So I'm going to have to put this up top before the script because that's everything runs from top to bottom in coding. So life equals life plus 1. So that's going to change that to 11. And now we're just going to enter in life 2 plus plus. Alright, so when you're assigning an operator, it's going to go life equals life plus 1, which changes that 10 to 11, because 10 plus 1 is 11, and the same here, life plus 1, life 2 plus 1 is 11, because life 2 equals 10, plus 1 equals 11. And we're just going to save that really quickly, and just to make things easy, we're just going to take the debug log out for those. This way we can just see only what we changed. A lot of times I don't like saving. Alright. Now when it gets done, (11) and 11. So what that shows essentially is that the incrementer is the same. Incrementer, the plus plus, is the same as adding plus 1. Now we have the same thing. I'm going to go pretty quick with this because it works the same way. There's also a minus operator, which can be used in the exact same fashion with the minus minus. So now 10 minus 1 is 9, 10 minus 1 is 9. So now when we go back, we rerun it, 9 and 9. And now there's a few more operators we got to cover. It's basic math. The next one is going to be the multiplication operator. And with it, you do not use the same like the plus plus or minus minus. And the division, we do not do that. So life times 2 is going to be 20. Life 2 divided by 2 is going to be 5. So that's you put the slash there for the division, and you put the little asterisk for the multiplication. And these are going to be all your operators. (20) and 5. as we see it worked. And if you want to keep a little log of this, we're going to start doing more things now, so we can just delete all these variables out. So we're going to start using this class to create other stuff. But if you want to create more logs, operators, we're just going to put the plus plus means +1 means variable +1. Whatever your variable is, minus minus means variable -1. The multiplication operator, y'all know how multiplication works. It's the division operator. And also, we'll cover this. The equal to is going to be covered in the next video. Probably be better. But if you want to put this in there to remember as your notes, then when you get done, you're going to close it off with a star and then a slash. So now essentially you have all your notes in one spot, however you want to organize it. Personally, I don't like a star there between every single one, so but what matters is you have the slash, the asterisk, and then the asterisk, the slash to close it. And now you can have these notes here to remember, just in case you forget. But that's all in this video. In the next one, we're going to be talking about if statements and the equal to operator, and along with if, we're going to be covering else statements as well. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this helpful, leave some feedback, hit the like button, subscribe, and if there's anything I need to clarify for you, comment below and I'll try to help you to the best of my ability. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.